Move into your first home with no money out of pocket. The Maryland Mortgage Program, or MMP, offers first-time home buyers up to 5% of their loan amount in down payment assistance. This assistance comes in the form of a 0% interest 30-year term loan with repayment deferred for the life of the loan. Let's take a look at an example. You're buying a house for $400,000 and putting 3.5% down with an FHA loan. Your total loan amount will be $392,755. Your down payment is $14,000. We'll estimate closing costs to be around 3.5% of the loan amount, so we'll go with $13,750. That brings your total cash to close to $27,750. 5% of the loan amount in down payment assistance comes to $19,637.75. That leaves us with a difference of $8,112.25. We'll then ask your realtor to submit an offer requesting a seller contribution to cover that remaining amount.